Hi, I'm Serena from thriftdiving.com. As a homeowner and DIY do-it-yourselfer, I'm always doing outdoor maintenance myself, and that can be a lot of work. This HDX 1-gallon economy sprayer is perfect for everything from pest control around the perimeter of your home to killing weeds and spraying fungicides for lawn and garden use. And don't forget mild household cleaning, including applying mold and mildew removers or disinfecting surfaces. This 1-gallon sprayer from HDX has a translucent polyethylene funnel top tank for monitoring the liquid level for convenience. Plus, with the top, you can easily refill the tank and be guaranteed that you're not going to get any spills. Please be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for what materials can be used in this 1-gallon pump sprayer. This is also available in a 2-gallon sprayer, so depending on your use around the home, decide which size is best for you. The Comfort Grip pump handle makes it easy to use and carry. It's got a 36-inch braided reinforced hose for durability, and it also features a polyflow control that has a lock-on feature for the option of continuous spraying. The wand is also corrosion resistant, and it's a design nozzle system which sprays for accuracy to fit your spraying needs. This 1-gallon HDX sprayer also features an automatic pressure relief valve for added safety. So when you're looking for an effective way to accurately spray pest control products, lawn and garden herbicides and fungicides, or to disinfect or clean surfaces, consider this 1-gallon HDX economy sprayer, and you can find this only at the Home Depot.